Hello, today at NorthshoreCommercialDoor.com I will be showing you how to install a backup battery on the new Liftmaster 8500w garage door opener. The backup battery is designed to allow you to operate your garage door when the power is out at your home. The battery is a Liftmaster 8500w. To get access to the battery placement, you will need to open the front cover of the operator. You can do that by pulling out the cover from the bottom with your hands. For this installation, you will only need a screwdriver. A flat or a Phillips works. First, you will need to unscrew the screw that is holding the battery cover. Then remove the cover and you will see two wires for the battery, one red for the positive and one black for the negative. Pull the wires out and connect them to the battery. Make sure you connect the red positive wire to the red positive terminal and the black negative wire to the black terminal. Make sure that the wires have a good connection on both ends. Now insert the battery into the operator with the bottom first. The wires might be a bit short, so if they disconnect, just reconnect them when the battery is inserted. Check if the battery is all the way in and then proceed to put the battery cover back. When the battery is plugged in, the operator will begin charging the battery. Once the battery is fully charged, the indicator light will turn green. Now when the battery is fully charged, you can unplug the operator to test the operation of the backup battery mode. To run a test, you can use your wireless transmitter or you can operate it manually by opening the cover and pressing the arrow up button to open the door. After testing, plug in the operator and you will see the battery indicator switch go back to green, indicating that the power is on and the battery is charging. And that's how to install or replace the battery on the Liftmaster 8500w. If you have any questions or would like to purchase this operator, please visit NorthshoreCommercialDoor.com or give us a call today. Thanks for watching.